So we're going to be trading this $50 account, trading boom and crash on Deriv. So right now I'm looking at boom 500, and so as you can see, I've got a moving average. So I've got a trend line that has been broken, right? And I've got an impulsive move, and so like a correction, right? So I just want to enter my sell positions, right? So if I enter a sell right over here, my stop loss, if I put it above that high, it's going to be $2.55 or $2.80. Some, let's just say $3, right? So I'm going to be entering two positions, so that because I want to risk $5, right? So let me just enter, right? So it's, let's accept one click trading, right? So oh shit, I entered two positions, dollar lots. As you can see, the stop loss is too large, right? So let me close this, and so that I can enter again properly, right? So let's reduce the lot size, right? And now we're going to be entering those two positions, and of course we're going to be placing our stop loss, right? So over here, let's see how this plays out. They're on the 50 moving average, and we're trading against the 200 moving average. So let's see if this trade actually works out, because if it works out, it's a sniper. But if it doesn't, it's we're in bed. We are going to be in loss, of course. Right. So right over here, as you can see, let's just put our stop loss so that we don't, in case we forget this trade or anything like that, so that we can just be safe, right? So that it doesn't spike away, right? We can just exit, right? So let's see how this plays out. So as you can see, if we're targeting this previous high over low over there, right? It's got $5 profit, right? So it'd be $10 risking $5. So it's so like 1:2, right? At least, and it has already spiked without giving us, without, it's not been that way, and another spike again, right? So over here, as you can see, that's, we're going to be exiting one position, so that, because if it spikes again, it will exceed, and as you can see, right, it spiked $3, right? So I just didn't want it to spike, so that it cannot, it will, the stop loss would have been too much, right? So over here I've entered boom 600 again, right? And as you can see, for now it's still in profit, right? Let's see how this eventually plays out, if we'll be able to recover the money that we lost, right? So as you can see over there, I entered right over there because of the 50 moving average that had been what, that had been tested, right? And as you can see, we're in almost $4 profit right now, right? So yeah, let's see how this one plays out, and if we'll be able to recover the losses or not on boom 500, right? So let's adjust our stop loss and move it below, right? Because whenever a trade goes into profit, i like to I like to place the stop loss into profit, so that we don't lose that much money, right? So over here, if we close now, we will almost have recovered the money that we lost on Boom 500. But yeah, let's see how this plays out, right? So let's adjust our stop loss again, right? So that we don't regret letting this money go, right? So let's see how this eventually plays out, right? So over here now we're on $7, right? And let's see where it ends, but yeah, it might be able to, it might spike right now, right? So yeah, let's see how this keeps on going, and we keep on adjusting our stop loss, right? Though I know that very soon it will be hit, because also like an equal low over there, right? So yeah, let's just see, right, over there, right? $10 profit, and now if I adjust our stop loss over here, we know that the what, we have recovered uh the loss that we had on boom 500. Let's just close, because it has already spiked, right? And as you can see, that's it.